We are all looking for happiness. We are looking for happiness in status, in wealth, in cars, in mobile phones, in more technologies, more materialistic things that don't even give us happiness. But we associate happiness with these kind of systems. So how can we detach from it and look for real happiness and look and go in the pursuit of real happiness, of obtaining real happiness? And this is what I want to tackle today. So let's go. A human person is always in pursuit of happiness because, well, everyone knows, because we all want happiness in our lives. We seek it always outside of us. We always seek it outside of us. We all know that. Today's materialistic world is mesmerizing young minds with the wrong idea that by possessing things we can inherit happiness. But I tell you that happiness, joy, and all virtues are deep within us. It is only through this realization we need to make an inward search in order to treasure this unfathomable mystery in our life. Firstly, the key to unfold this mystery of our inward search is love. A Christian sage, Saint Francis de Sales, says, "Everything by love, nothing by force." Love unfolds itself in our journey of this realization. The fundamental needs of every human person are food, shelter, and clothing. In sharing, in today's world, he or she is unconsciously longing for caring, sharing, and loving persons in life. Well, unfortunately, we are searching for such personalities in Facebook, Google, WhatsApp, Skype, Viber, anything. We lost our true self in this noisy world. First and foremost, we need to love oneself in order to possess love itself. Secondly, the key to realize this mystery in our life is to love the other as we love ourselves. In giving, we receive. We need not to be narcissistic. What we seek in our life, we'll receive what we seek in our life. Let us love one another until it hurts. And love never hurts. It heals the broken hearts. Live love, live happily. So this is something that you must take to heart, and let me know if you find something confusing. I might explain it in the comments below. So look within you and you will find happiness, love, care, everything within you. So the choice is yours. Choose.